Mickey Mouseness, as well as somebody on deck. It's Mickey Mouse. Oh. Ooh, calm down, girl. No. Don't start your shit. Oh, shit, light. No. If I listened, you didn't. What did I say, Leia? No. Just fucking take you guys out, I mean, shit, I gotta put this on too. Hey, look at you beautiful little pickles. My fucking light ain't working. Well, we're about to find out why. Whoa. There it is right there. Good afternoon, hon. How are you? Damn, I could hear her. I hear a bunch of girls. I don't see nobody. Oh, is that my doctor's house? They're in the back. The kids must be watching cartoons. Fuck. Oh. They're watching SpongeBob. SpongeBob. Damn. Wish I would have knew that. The kitties must be sleeping. I'll get him ready too. Oh, they are partying back there. They're all out there. You guys, I gotta act. Presentable here for Mickey Mouse and the other creators. There is none. There isn't another one. There isn't another one. You got filtered or something, I think. Yeah, sure did. You got filtered, girl. You got filtered. Thank you, I'm that girl. Are you that girl? But I'm just messing with you. I hope you have humor. A lot of people nowadays don't have humor. They got, the nose up somebody's ass. And they don't know which way to fucking turn. Danielle, You're being filtered. You might have to put an emoji or something. Sweet cheeks. Oh, I am. That's good though. That's good though. Too much bullshit on this app. So many don't even want to be on this app anymore. You used to be able to, tell your story, be real with people, real with people. And, we talk about narratives. And to abusing my children, to this, but can't show a receipt of me physically hitting them. Upset children that were upset that, Mom made some calls, but, anyway, through. You're getting filtered. What is happening? Yeah. Through. Look at my comments, please, through. Oh, she really getting filtered. What? No. Okay. What? No. I text you. Okay. Yeah, because I'm not getting nothing unless somebody... Yeah, nails are just popping off, and this is going to happen. Which is kind of good, I guess. But... You from Jersey, baby. The bitches that were lying for her now want to... When the truth comes out, I'll be the piece of shit, I'll be the scammer, I'll be the liar, I'll be the user, I'll be the cousin fucker, I'll be whatever you want me to be. Hey, it's the piss. We'll talk about it. She's plotting, that's what she's doing. See, so villain, what happens is, when villain gets called out and the heat gets a little too much for her, she backs up a little bit and plays hide and seek, so she knows what the fuck she's doing. But karma's real, so anyway, karma's being slow with this one. Is she gonna handle her with as much pain as she did everybody else? Nice and slow. You're gonna feel every ounce of pain that you put everybody else through. Oh. Text. Or is it on here? Oh. Villain wouldn't be a bad person if she turned some of her shit together. Everybody has skeletons. Everybody has skeletons. You have some that will talk about their past, some that learned from their past, and but the villain has no humor to her. Villain, I have faith in this woman, as vile as fucking she is. I have faith in that this woman, if she was to turn her, just hold this position around, this girl could slay it. She could. Her numbers would probably go up. But she ain't about that life. She's just about being nosy and thinking she knows just as well as others, but, her sidekicks and everything. But I do have faith in her. Just a little bit, you guys. Just a little bit. I have more faith in her than I do in Mickey Mouse. And that's real talk. If she really was to... Because villain, she's a pretty person. She's very pretty. No, I don't fucking want her. That ain't the type of... I want. She's pretty. She's very pretty. I love the way she talks. You can tell she's from the East. someone hurt her pretty bad. That's all I'm gonna say. She had at the time, or whatever fucking scam she had at the time, or whatever fucking scam she got going on. But anyway, 30K, that this person could drop another 30K. Sure, hey, whack me. Drop that 30K, there wouldn't need to be a GoFundMe. So math isn't mathing, but anyway, I fucking people, she is one that I honestly have some, like, this fucking, just that much faith in her. If she was to turn some shit around, bro, she could eat it up. She could eat it up. Well, quit playing some fucking rock, bro. I'm not here to bash her, and, you know, anyone else either. They want to be nosy and think they know what they're talking about, then let them. It's alright. You got people that played friends just to get info, and then, you know, they take it to the, oh boy, he's fucking sick. But I'll be the villain in the story. It's okay. It's okay. I forgive you all. But this one I do have some faith in, but she is very fucking vile. She's the most vilest person I've ever fucking met. And I've never even met her. I'm surprised New York didn't wipe her up quick. That's really surprising. Because that right there, see, if you're in New York and you do some shit like that, you know, villain. You know. You from Jersey, baby. You know. You know. You know. But, I wouldn't be surprised if there's people in New York waiting for her, or New Jersey waiting for her to pull the fuck up again. You know, back to that way, and I don't know. It's not my problem. But that girl's been watched. She's been being watched, as well as others. And they watch me too. Hi, I'm Lori Jones. They didn't tell you. So, yep. Well, they watch it all. And I mean they, because it's more than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's way more than that. So, it honestly, and I'm going to keep it real, it all started with Raggedy fucking T. That's who it started with. And I know she ain't trying to body shame somebody. I know she ain't. Come on now, Raggedy. The fuck? Anyway, but, so Miss Raggedy T thought she can threaten Lori Jones on this month to this month to this week of, you got this amount of time to get off an app. Oh yeah, well here I am under another account. Who are you? And then it went, you know, and I'm clearly gonna say Raggedy T must have went whining and crying to fucking villain. Anyway, then Mickey Mouse gets caught bullying. She gets called out on it, and other people won't speak on it. I will. I don't give a fuck. Just chats you go into, and who do you see? Why are you up this late? Oh, you rug and you thug and you just straight fucking mean. And all they were doing was dancing. Yeah, they were having a drink or two, but the fuck does that have to do with you? They weren't begging. What are you barking at, bro? What's going on? But anyway, I really, out of all the fucking vile people out there, Villain is the one I really have some faith in. I really do. Just this much, though, you guys. I'm gonna keep my faith there. I'm gonna keep the faith there. Maybe her taking a little break, maybe she will change her. You know, she wants everybody else to change. She would whatever. Well, I mean, I'm telling you, she could. I never followed this girl. Oh, she does. But I hear she's not in a very healthy relationship, but we won't talk about that. I just got some faith in some villain, and I wish this girl would wake the fuck up. Someone hurt this girl pretty bad, and I'm not gonna lie. Bad. She's very sloppy. She's your friend, but when the heat gets fucking high, she'll turn on your ass quick. Real quick. She's done it to plenty. When the heat gets too much, you know, for her. I really pray for that girl. I really do. I don't need to know her story, nothing like that, but she bitter, she's sour, somebody hurt her so bad, you guys. We're not going to talk about the Gabby thing because I will never watch that girl again. After the Charlie thing, I'm hearing some shit this girl did with the Charlie thing. I'm not okay with that. Now I'm blocking you. You're done. I won't hate on you, nothing. You nothing to me. Bye, Gabby. We don't do that, Charlie. I'm so sorry. She's fucking mood. You know who we're fucking dealing with. I'm so sorry, Charlie. Oh my God, she's sick. But anyway, back to this villain here. Oh God, somebody help this woman. Give her some resources or something. Oh, trouble on the horizon. I'm telling you, well, supposedly last night, Miss Gabby was live, and I wasn't in live, so I don't know, but there was a lot of reposts that she was, like, making fun of the... No, that is not okay. No. Not when his wife pulls the fuck up. Okay. Oh, no, because his wife would not do that, because she leaves it to God. That's sick. That's fucking sick. Someone who deceased, and people are fucking grieving hard, and you're gonna go live, and... What? I thought villain was bad. You sick. You real sick. You're sicker than her. And she's not sick. She's vile. You are sick. That's just fucking sick. So you got vile and then you got complete sick. Just fucking sick. But I wasn't in that live, but there is a lot of reposts, and I was just watching a chat where she, I guess, was making fun of Charlie. Actually cared for kids and children and, you know, other things as well. Him up there, you know, the good Lord himself. Bro, come up down here. Maybe I went in there because I would have got blocked quick. No, I would have asked for a box. I probably wouldn't have got it, but it would have gotten ugly. It would have gotten ugly. Ugly. But anyway, you got one that's just clearly fucking sick. And then one that's just fucking vile. This girl's out for blood. Like, she's gotta have the last word, gotta have the last this, gotta have the last that. That's her. And then to think you know what the fuck you're talking about. You got yourself a book there, villain. I mean, it's not a true book. But, I mean, it's a little, you gotta kind of organize the book a little bit, because you got me going from so we want to go in, so this is where I'm going to help you out, villain. Okay, we're going to make a book, right? And it's going to, whatever book you want to, you handle that part. But, so we're going to go to the addiction. We're going to go back to the addiction where cousin came in play. Oh, yeah. Then, you're going to put that in the book, right? Then you're going to put, how? She still loves me, that's all that matters. Hi, baby. So, there was a rock, and I took her head and went bam, bam. So she got up crying, and I was crying. I was like, no, get the fuck back over here, bro. No, this did not just happen. And it fucking did. And it fucking did. Anyway, and I stopped, and I just grabbed her by her arm, and I am too. But I learned, you know, because here I am, you know. Damn it. So she forgives me. I just don't forgive myself, because I should have never let it get that, you know, deep, and I did. But again, that was years back. So anyway, and then good old Florida. So as we all know, I was with my cousin. So anyway, well, there was this girl that thought she could have my cousin, and in, you know, the addiction game, and nobody's supposed to be with your cousin. It's your fucking family, bro. And I love him. He's my cousin. Facts, I love him. He is my cousin. But anyway, the moral of the story is, Miss Nicole thought she could, so anyway, I came back. It's funny that and she was a heavy-set girl. She was. And I, you know, she was. And I, you know, my cousin, because it's second cousin, first cousin, okay, her husband comes, and they all grab what's in my hand out, and, you guys, I'm so proud of myself. I'm so fucking proud of myself. Ma, I know you see this, bro. I know you do. I'm showing up and showing out. I've stuck to some promises, you guys, and I'm really proud. Fucking am. You guys might not be, but you don't know me like that to know, like, what I'm exactly talking about. Like, with my children, I promised them, you know, certain things, and to know that I've stood fucking high and tall on these promises. I do it all for them. All for them. Absolutely, I do. That's facts there. I do that all for them. I did not have my children. Who knows? Who knows? But the good Lord himself. Yo, who was it? Somebody gonna eat this up. How the fuck somebody makes fun of somebody? Front of somebody. No, you ain't got nothing right now, girl. You're just adding. You just be quiet, Lori. Not your problem, but we do gotta block that because you're not gonna make fun of Charlie. Is what you're not gonna do. I need to find out if that's even true, though. Because, you know, motherfuckers just be saying shit just to fucking say shit because anything to make content. Oh, God, I can't wait to get off to this fucking app. Oh, excuse me. Oh. I do need to look and see. I don't even know where the fuck I'd even look who would speak the truth on anything. It's pizza with pepperoni, green pepper, and mushroom. So right there, I'm gonna finish it, but. And hopefully you'll give that video to whoever you need to, and they'll know that, you know, well, they know. Well, he's done a lot of fucking changing and a lot of, you know, things that you guys don't want to see or just refuse to see, and that's okay. I promise it's okay. It's okay. I forgive you all. You guys, seriously, we all need to come together and make it. But I'm not going to be like everybody else. I'm not. I refuse to be. So what we're going to have to do here... Bitch, I'm not sure I ain't that a bitch. We need to come together and figure out how the fuck we can help Villain. So, maybe things will calm down for a little bit. You know, we can't be evil like the rest. We gotta kind of help and, you know, be the backbone or the guide to certain things. So I think we all need to come together for Villain and, you know, help this woman heal somehow. Somehow, some way. Like, pray for her. Maybe direct her into different content instead of, you know, swear I got faith in this fucking woman. I do. Villain, I got faith in you. No, I'm not kissing your ass. No, I'm not. I just got faith in you. Ask Psycho Bunny. I told her. She knows. I told Psycho Bunny. I got faith in you. Out of all, I got faith in you, Miss Villain. Hi. Don't make me look bad now, just because I got faith in you. Now don't you make me look bad. I got faith in you, girl. Bad, I got faith in you, girl. Talking about, hon? What is the problem? You want to come have coffee, Villain? I'll give you my chair. Heal, baby, heal. I'll give you a shoulder to cry on. And I won't run to TikTok for it. I don't need content, honey. Very sad, and I'm very pissed that fucking Gabby would come up on this app making fun of him. So, can you please go tell her that? Because I'm blocking her. We don't make fun of Charlie. That's what we don't do. Fuck. Hi, honey. I'm trying to help this lady villain out here in the world. I'm hoping maybe I can get some people together that, I'm telling you, I just got a little faith in this girl. A little fucking faith. Fucking everyone that does. Well, Gabby was one of them. She was live last night. I wasn't in live, but I need to find out if it's true, because so many people fucking lie. But we're the liar, so, but yeah. You won't. Sorry, I don't know why my fucking phone just did that. Yeah, if you find out, Storm, let me know. I'm gonna look. But I am seeing a lot of reposts that, little Miss, Gabby was making fun of Charlie. Now, his wife, if she wanted to do anything, she sure could on you, Gabby. Just saying. I am. I'm gonna go look now. You guys, maybe you guys can spread the word. Maybe we can get it into Villain's head here. I'm only worried about Villain right now because I have faith in her. I have faith that if she turns some shit around, her numbers would go up, and it would all just be a beautiful thing. There's no need to be body shaming, bullying, putting your nose somewhere where it don't motherfucking belong. You understand me, child? I'm gonna pray for you, Villain. And the rest. But I love you and I forgive you, Villain. Okay? And the rest. I forgive you all. Damn, they getting screenshots out the ass. Look at them. Okay? Go ahead, tell them how I'm kissing your ass. No, I just got a little faith in you, hon. That's all. Just a little faith. If you just turn it around a little bit. About as little faith as I got in you, if you turned that behavior around. You can thank me later. Alright, I am going to go look and see if this is true, though. Seriously. I need to find out, because if she was making fun of Charlie, I'm spreading the fucking word. Now she's going to deal with some